Hello friends, welcome to Learner's Planet. This is Alka Maheshwari. In this session, we are going to discuss addition and subtraction of fractions. In our previous sessions, we have already discussed about addition and subtraction of integers as well as decimals. I hope you might have practiced with the same, so you'll be more comfortable in this session. Let's begin with our first problem. Friends, in this case, we are given a problem involving addition and subtraction of mixed fractions. Friends, in most of the cases, when these sort of problems are going to be a part of maybe any competitive exam, maybe a school exams, or maybe any entrance examinations, we just look at the problem and start writing. In fact, in this case, it is actually not necessary to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. What the mistake students do, I just write it over here. What they do is, they just try to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction by doing 13 plus 2, 26 plus 1, 27 by 2. Then 14 into 3, that is 42 plus 1, that is 43 by 3, and so on. This method is actually correct, but it is very time consuming and lots of calculation is also involved in this. So we can avoid this by splitting the number, by splitting the fraction, mixed fraction into an integer and an proper into an integer and proper fractions. Okay friends, so 13.5 can be written as 13 plus half. Similarly, 14 1 by 3 can be written as 14 plus 1 by 3. But as far as competitive exams are concerned, we are not having that much time we just copy the problems at some other place and then start solving. So what we do is we try to calculate it wherever the problem is written. So let's begin with the problem. So it's 3 plus 4 7 minus 5 2 plus 2 4 minus 7 minus 3. So I don't write minus 3. What I'll do is I'll borrow 1. So 10 minus 3, it will be 7. Now I am having negative 1 with me. So that negative 1 plus this 1 is 0. Then 1 minus 2 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 6 is 5 and 5 minus 3 2. Friends, you might have observed that I have taken only integral part of these mixed fractions. So in the first step, I have calculated the integral part only. Now I'll be calculating, or I'll be observing the fractional part also. Now you just observe, it is positive 1 by 3 and it is negative 1 by 3. So both of them will be cancelled. Similarly, it is positive 2 by 3 and it is negative 1 by 3. So we'll be having a positive 1 by 3. Similarly, we'll be having this half. So this calculation is 27 plus, let us take the LCM, 2 plus 3 upon 6. So 27 plus 5 by 6, so which is actually 27 5 by 6. In case of entrance examinations, if you are provided with the options, you can observe the calculation must be around 27. If there is only one option around 27th, then you can easily mark with that. And if there are more than one options, then this calculation is required, which you can do even mentally. I hope you are clear about the method. Let's take one more problem. Now let's begin with this problem. We will be just taking integral part in the first step. Let's begin. 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9 minus 3 6 and minus 1 5. Then 5 plus 7 12 plus 8 20 minus 2 18 18 minus 2 16. I'll write 6 over here and 1 will be carried over. That 1 plus this 2 is 3. So the integral calculation is 365. Now let's take the fractional part also. It is 2 by 5 and it is 2 by 5. That is 4 by 5 plus 1 by 5. 5 by 5. So that will give a 1. Similarly, it is minus 4 by 7 and it is minus 3 by 7. So what we'll be getting is minus 7 by 7. So minus 7 by 7 is actually minus 1. So this one and this one will be cancelled. So finally we will be getting 365. So students, you might have observed that without converting these mixed fractions into improper fractions or fractions, we have done the calculations so quick, so fast. Okay, so and you might have observed we didn't copy the problem anywhere else. So it is great time saving in this case. Okay, let's take more problems. Now let's take this problem. Further, let's begin. We'll be just calculating the integral part. Is 3 plus 9 12 minus 8 4 minus 5 minus 1 plus 6 will be getting 5. Then 2 plus 2 4 minus 4 0 minus 2 plus 4 will be getting 2. Then 6 plus 7 13 minus 4 9 minus 1 8 plus 2 10. I write 0 over here. In fact, I will be writing 10 over here. So we are complete with our integral calculation. Now let's observe the fractional part. It is 3 by 8 plus 2 by 8, that is 5 by 8. 5 by 8 minus 1 by 8, that is 4 by 8. So we are getting 4 by 8 as positive. 4 by 8 is actually 1 by 2. Okay. Now we are getting positive 1 by 2 and this is negative 1 by 2. So this 1 by 2 and this 1 by 2 will get cancelled. Now we are left with only 3 by 4, that 2 is positive. So our final calculation is 1025 3 by 4. It's so simple, friends. You just have to practice with the method. Let's take one or two more problems. Now let's take this problem. Now we start calculating just the integral part. It's 4 plus 5 9 minus 8 1 plus 6 7 minus 3 4. Then 2 plus 2 4 minus 9 minus 5 plus 2 minus 3 and minus 3 minus 6 will borrow 1. So 10 minus 6 will be getting 4 and I have negative 1 with me. Now negative 1 plus this 3, I'll be getting positive 2 and 2 minus 2 0. Then 5 minus 2, I'll be getting 3 and the last is 1. So integral calculation is 1344. Now let's see the fractional calculations. This I'm having 2 by 3, 2 by 5. This is positive 2 by 5 and this is negative 2 by 5. So both of them will be cancelled. Now this is negative 3 by 4 and this is positive 3 by 4. So what will be getting? Minus 2 by 4, that is minus half. Then it is this portion is plus 2 by 3. Now let's finish this calculation. It's 2 by 3 minus half. It's 2 2s are 4 minus 3 by 6. So it's 1 by 6. So 1344 plus 1 by 6 is 1344 1 by 6. This is the final answer. Okay friends, I hope you might have understood the method. Let's take one more problem. Now in this problem, let's begin. It's 9 plus 5 14. 14 minus 5 further 9. 9 minus 3 6 minus 9 minus 3. So we have to borrow 1. So 10 minus 3 it will be 7 and I am having negative 1 with me. Negative 1 plus 2 I'll be getting 1 plus 2 3. 3 minus 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Further I have to borrow 1. So 10 minus 5 I'll be getting 5 and I have negative 1 with me. Now negative 1 plus this 7 I'll be getting 6 plus 8 14 minus 6 8 minus 1 7. So it's 757. That is the integral part. Now we are left with the fractional part. Here it is positive 1 by 7. Here it is negative 1 by 7. So it will be cancelled. Similarly, it is minus 2 by 7 and it is minus 4 by 7. So it will be minus 6 by 7 and we are left with 3 by 4. So let's calculate this. 7 3s are 21 minus 4 6 are 24 by 28. So it is 21 minus 24 by 8, that is 3 by 28. But that too is negative. Okay, so what I can do is I can write it 756 plus 1 minus 3 upon 28. Then I'll be doing 756 28 minus 3, that is 25 by 28. Isn't it so simple, friends? I hope you might have enjoyed the session. You will be practicing with the method, and in the next session we'll be doing more calculations, we'll be learning more methods. All the best.